Okay, on this paper here, I have the orthographic views. All right. I've got the front, got the top, and the right side. So based on this information, I can draw what the ISO view must look like because I have enough information here to see what it should look like as an ISO view. All right, so I'm going to start with this front view. Okay, and I know it is 1, 2, 3. Let's see, we'll count those as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, let's count this a little bit larger box as just one box, okay? So I'm going to draw down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It goes over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you look, I've got an object line here. So I know that this next section is at a different depth. I don't know if it's farther ahead or if it's farther back. All right, looking at the top view, I can pretty much guess that it's set in. All right, but it just shows that it's a different depth because I have an object line there. So I can go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the whole thing is like one big box. Okay. Now I can look here and tell that that box goes back 1, 2, and it goes all the way around. So I'm going to go ahead and draw my top view at this point so that I'll know how far back to go for this particular edge. So I'm going to go, goes back 1, 2, 3, over 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this one goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then go forward 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Over 2. Let me connect these lines. So far, I've drawn part of my top view and part of my front view. Okay, I can tell that this surface here is moved back 2, and I know that it has an object line. So this right here is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to go ahead and draw, well, first I think I'm going to go ahead and finish this off here. I knew I could finish that off because the right side has no object lines here. So I was able to go ahead and draw that. I also can see that there's no object lines on this side. Right, so it's going to follow right on into it. But first, let's go ahead and draw this. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to go up 1, 2, 3. And draw that part here. Just drew that little box. I'm going to go ahead and finish off the front view because I can see there's no object lines, so it's all on the same plane. This one's going to be on a different plane because of that object line, just like it is. So I go over 1, 2, 3, 4 from this point. 1, 2, 3, 4. I go up 2. This one goes over 6. And connect that. All right, so I have part of the top view. I have most of the front view. And I have most of the right view. So now we need to finish off what's here in the middle. I know that this is all one level. This part in the middle has to be, this little part that's left over has to be on the same level because there's no object lines. Here I have a hidden line connecting with this object line. So I know all of this has to be on that same plane. And it's going to go back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I can go ahead and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and I go ahead and connect that. So if you look at this that I've drawn, you can tell that this is the isometric view from those orthographic views that I had. So these orthographic views tell us a lot about what the object actually looks like.